Well, I've had bad teeth my whole life, no matter how much I brushed them and did everything I was supposed to do. I just kind of had bad teeth. So my bottom teeth that I decided to have implants on was just because over the years I ended up losing a tooth for whatever reason and ended up with no good teeth to chew with, and my front teeth that showed were worn down and not very good, and I knew I was headed for dentures at some point, and I'd seen relatives and older people that I knew go through that, and I didn't want, especially lower teeth at all.
Did you spend any time without teeth at all?
No.
Right. Yeah. So you always had something to
Not
smile
a day.
with and chew with. Yeah.
Yeah, I had friends that said, well, just leave it out.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's a big concern of some patients
Yeah.
on the front end, that not knowing the process, they think they're going to be without teeth.
Oh, no, not for a minute.
Yeah.
I slept in them. I just left them in like they were mine. They were mine.
Yeah, yeah, that's for sure. So tell me about the function of it, since we've delivered the final result, the aesthetics of it. Tell me a little bit about.
Well, aesthetics are great. I don't have to worry about. I never worried about the way it looked, or it always matched and everything was perfect there. But adjustment here or there. There's a spot here or there that, just like when you have dentures, that a spot that rubs here or there and maybe needs, an adjustment. But you guys have been great about doing that. So I know I can always come in and just say this one little spot.
Right.
When I come in to have them cleaned, when I have my teeth cleaned, then
Sure.
I'll, address that too while I'm here. So.
Okay.
That's been great too. So I have no anything different.
So what's it been like after the delivery of the final goal and the final result? What's that been?
Well, it's great. You just have new teeth basically, and you don't have to take them out, and you just have to take care of them and use your water pick faithfully, and
Sure.
if you do everything you're supposed to do, it's just like having regular teeth. So much better for me than to have the removable ones. I just think the permanent one is just the way to go if you can.
You lived in that take in, take out mode for a little while.
Oh yeah.
Denture,
Yeah, that lets you know right there that this is why I don't want a dent. People tell me all the time, you have the most beautiful teeth. They have no idea that bottom teeth is a denture that's permanent, and don't know about if the top ones didn't look like that originally.
Sure.
My real teeth didn't look like that. So.
Sure. I think that's the best compliment when they say you have nice teeth and don't
Don't
ask
have
you
a
about
clue.
your,
That's right.
They don't ask you
And
about your
that happens
dentistry.
to me all the time.
What do you wish you knew on the front end that you know now on the back end? You do it again, I'm sure, but anything you wish you knew?
I really didn't have any surprises. I felt like y'all told me what to expect at the beginning. Like I said, that initial, getting those permanent teeth out, and that whole little process is a little shaky there for a while. But even that was, it was bearable.
Sure.
But there's pain medication if you're in too much pain and whatever. I didn't really need that much, but I didn't really feel like I had any surprises. I felt like I was pretty prepared and knew what I was getting into.
Sure.
It's a little rough those first few days, but it gets better.
Sure.
You'll just keep plugging a little bit, and knowing that, like I said, I just kept my eye on the prize. I knew that in the end, I knew it was going to be worth it. Once it was over with, but. But that's just, I look at most things that way anyway, so. But anyway, it's been great. I've been super happy.
Good.
So.
Thanks for doing the video. Appreciate it very much. You've been a great patient to work with.
No problem.
Through all of the things that you and I have been through. You've been great to work with the whole time, so I really appreciate it.
It's been awesome.
Thanks.
I appreciate it.